Hi, I'm Nikhil Jain. I'm working with FBSPL as an assistant operation manager. With FBSPL, I'm working as an operation manager and I'm looking for the major process clients who are from various domains like finance, e-commerce, MCAs, the banking industry, telecom industries, healthcare, marketing, research, and various other projects. And I'm taking care of the clients from USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. I like to work with people who are from different domains, who have different nature. I this is my working style, and in fact, I'm taking care of a team of 150 plus people, including 10 team leads, to efficiently manage such a big pool. I determine if the task given to the team is an appropriate one for team members, and if this matches with their approach, we discuss it all together. And once we finalize that everything is good, we go ahead, and this is how we effectively and efficiently manage the such big team. Thank you. The main mantra while dealing the clients efficiently is to build a good rapport with the clients. And in order to build the good rapport, first what I do, I understand their needs. I offer them the value for the money for the services which they are going to take. And once they are on the same page and they have started taking our services, I make sure that what we have promised, we are offering them, we are delivering them the best quality. And once they are in our pool, I make sure that I maintain an effective communication on a time to time basis. And this is how I maintain a good relationship with the clients. So I basically started my career with Hindustan Zinc Limited, and later on I moved to Gandhinagar, where I work with eTech as a senior quality analyst. Later on, I got the opportunity to work with Fusion, and since I moved to Udaipur, I'm working with Fusion from last 6 years, and the journey is still on. With FBSPL, this is my 6th year, and I love the opportunity it has provided me in terms of professional growth and international client exposure. And FBSPL has given me an immense confidence to handle any situation in my professional life and run the overall operation smoothly. So overall, the experiences has been really good, and I love it on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, so I basically like the work culture so much at the FBSPL. I feel proud to be an important part of such a wonderful organization. It has given me a professional growth, international exposure in terms of client communication. It has also provided me multi-dimensional and multi-skill platform where I can showcase all my skill I can develop. It has also shown a good faith in me in terms of taking decision. So this has impacted really great and growing myself as a professional, as an individual. In fact, I have come from an MNC background, and I used to work in the metro cities, and I never expected that I would be able to see such a multicultural and employee friendly company in a city like Udaipur. I had no idea, but I was lucky enough that I got the chance to get interview at FBSPL 6 years back, and I got a real good opportunity here. After that, I was able to grow and establish myself at really good position in my professional journey. And FBSPL has become a part of my life, and it has given me really a good job satisfaction on a day-to-day basis. So yes, it has impacted really a lot in my day-to-day life, and I feel that I have grown to a good position so far.